Hey Milliger fans, how are you? Happy Monday. We're so excited because we have another great lineup of workshops happening this week. We've been sending out emails trying to keep everybody in the loop for all the amazing ones that are going on. But the one that I really don't want you to miss out on is our girls night out. It's on Wednesday and Thursday. You can sign up at 5, 5:30 or 6, and you get a 16-inch pot, and you're going to get 6 5-inch annuals that you get to pick to go in there. Okay, so you can take this home and give it as a great Mother's Day gift, or a treat yourself, or you can leave it here and we can grow it for you until the end of May. So you get to decide, but I'm telling you, everyone loves this workshop because they'll get their neighbors together, their girlfriends together, many generations together. So grandmas, moms, daughters, granddaughters, whatever it may be. And they come out into the greenhouse. You get a glass of wine when you check in. So it gets those creative juices flowing, that inspiration. And then you get to pick your plants. And let me show you, and then at that time of day, the greenhouses are just absolutely amazing. So I love being here early in the morning for sure, and then later in the evening. Everything just smells different too. So this is all the plants that you get to choose from. You're going to get 6 of these 5-inch annuals. So these are some of the inspiration for our plants that we have, containers that we've planted up for you. But it's so much fun, guys. It's so popular that we have 2 nights, okay? And we've got 3 different times. Look how beautiful everything is. And so you want to get together and get some of your girlfriends together and come and plant with us. It's so beautiful in the greenhouse. And then we guide you into making your own container like this. Aren't they beautiful? So lots of great options. The containers that there's a whole mix, I think, of different options of your 16-inch container, but they could look just like this. I mean, just spectacular. So we will guide you on the combinations, but there are so many great options. These Million Bells, of course, are some of my absolute favorites. I think they are gorgeous. And I'll also tell you that I think this is a spectacular year for all annuals. I mean, in here, I think everything looks beautiful. But we've got some beautiful shade ones. Look at how beautiful the caladium is. I just love it. Love it. So, and look at this. I mean, I feel like this is one of the best years for fuchsia. I just think it's so beautiful. And we got a lot of options. So we are here. Look at how beautiful it is. We will guide you into putting together a spectacular container. But it's going to be so much fun. Oh gosh, let me show you these begonias. They also look better than ever. So many gorgeous colors. I'm just amazed. I think they look great. And some beautiful, you know what's really popular right now is this orange color. Everyone's loving this orange. And so that one's called that Amstel Dark Brit. If you're wondering, it's so pretty and vibrant. But we got a lot of great options. Of course, the Amstel Blitz is always super popular. But we want to have fun with you. Here's a great combination. We want to have fun with you in the greenhouse. And so girls' night out is a ton of fun. I guarantee it. And we'll make something beautiful together. And just having fun with friends and family and just celebrating moms and all that they do. Good morning. It's fun, right? Oh, gosh, you guys, I got to show you this. Look at this. I don't think it could be any more beautiful in here. This is peak. This is it right now. We're in the Wow House, and it's so gorgeous. Good morning.
Good morning.
I mean, look at that. Every color you can think of. It's so beautiful. And trying to narrow it down to the color that you actually like, I mean, that's going to be your toughest thing. So, come see us. If you look on our website, we actually have a ton of workshops that are coming for the next 3 weeks, I think. Woo! But it's so fun and we love planting with you. So check them out. We'd love to see you. And it's always a beautiful night in a greenhouse. It's always magical. And then you created something special. There's something about that too. So check out the website, or I put the link in there so that you can be able to sign up for that girls' night out. But I mean, look at that. So pretty. All right. We'll see you soon, guys.